Before the conference started, there was actually news of whether or not they would retain Coach Chito Victorero or not, and he stayed, diba? I think a lot of this noise is coming from the fans. If you're internal, Dino and I talked about this a couple of weeks ago. In the PBA, there's like unwritten tiers. And Magnolia, we considered Magnolia to be a tier 1 team. Like
outside looking in of tier 1.
Yeah, they're there, right? It's what? TNT, Ginebra, San Miguel, and them, diba? Them or Meralco, diba? So they're actually performing up there. But from the fans' perspective, the fans, the media, everyone who's talking about a need for a change, parang nakikita nila 6 years na, at hindi pa rin nananalo. And within those 6 years, give or take the pandemic having 2 conferences, mga around 15 to 18 conferences yan of not winning. So from their perspective, kailangan na magbago ng Magnolia. Ang sasabihin ko naman sa kanila is, sinong ipapalit mo?
Exactly.
Sinong ipapalit mo? And
the fact, galing si Coach Tim Con dun sa team na yon at nilipat siya sa Barangay Ginebra, kahit hindi sabihin ng SMC group yan, or SMC, kung sino naghahawak ng SMC ngayon, obviously, in favor ang pagpapalakas ng mga teams sa Barangay Ginebra at San Miguel Women.
Right.